Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your phone or scanner has enough battery and the document lies flat. Open the scanning app now and choose single or multi-page mode. This determines file structure later. Once done, position the camera directly above the page and tap to focus. Use auto crop if available so edges are detected. Take a quick test shot, then adjust lighting or angle. This first action gets you a clean image that reduces rework during the next steps. You now process the captured images to make the file useful. First, apply auto crop and perspective correction so text sits upright and margins are clean. Then use contrast or black and white presets to improve legibility. Convert the set to PDF if you need combined pages. Once converted, rename the file clearly and reorder pages as necessary. Make sure the resolution matches your sharing purpose. Lower DPI for email, higher for archives. These steps ensure the recipient sees a crisp, professional document. You finish by choosing how to share. Attach the PDF to email, upload to cloud and copy a link, or send via messaging. Make sure you set permissions appropriately. View only for most use cases, allow edits only when necessary, add a password or expiration for sensitive files. Once shared, confirm the recipient opened it. If they report unreadable pages, rescan with stronger light and flatter alignment, enable OCR to extract text, then resend the corrected file to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.